Man, what is popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck, back at it again, you know what I'm saying? How everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? I'm gonna be talking about a sniper entry that I caught on Euro USD. This is the best entry I've ever had in all my trades that I've took. Also, I'm gonna be talking about a trade that I took in US30 as well. As you guys can see, I'm in a totally different area. I'm actually just sitting on my couch right now. My office where I usually shoot my videos is out of commission right now, and I really wanted to get this video out to you guys, so I said, I'm just gonna shoot a video here. Why not? Got the B right there. How you guys like that? Man, y'all go ahead, if you can, just smack the like button for me if you do enjoy this video. If it helps you out, smack that like button, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is Euro USD. So my entry was right here, okay? On an hour time frame. I'm gonna go down to the 5 minute. I take my trades on the 5 minute time frame, you guys, and really the 1 minute as well. So I seen market create liquidity here, okay? Basically, liquidity is where people's money is down here, right? This is where, if you know, people were buying the market, their stop losses will be here, right? Because this is where market structure is, the lows. So liquidity is right here, okay? There's also liquidity being created right here. You could say here as well, right? So let's see. I see the market come up, right? I didn't get in any trades. Came up, got exhausted here, and it start having the bearish, you know, structure. You see, this was the last low. It start playing around in this low. Boom, you see this big strong move right here, right? Strong candle. So a lot of people right here was like, sell Euro USD. It's in a sell right now, which that was true, right? But I knew I didn't want to get in at this point because I missed it in a sense, you know. So I just waited. It's 1:45, okay? I was actually at work when this move happened, so I actually seen this move, and I'm like, okay. So really, this was my entry, you guys. You see how perfect this was, okay? Now, why did I get right here, and how did I really get in right here? So really, I seen this strong push, right? This strong push, it broke all of this, right? This was a pretty good support zone it had created. Like, boom, touches right here. Then this move broke it. So I knew market had to come back to this candle. It had to come back to correct that move, because it wasn't a significant support, but it was a pretty good support right there, right? So boom, it breaks through. You know what I did, you guys? I put in a freaking sell limit. So I really didn't explain why I put my sell limit there. Basically, that big strong candle that broke through that mini support, market came back 50% of that candle. So about halfway through that candle, I put a sell limit exactly there, and market kissed it just perfectly with a little bit of luck. Maybe not luck, but that was crazy. Okay. Sell limit order. It perfectly, literally perfectly hit my entry, you guys. Like, I cannot stress this enough. I'm gonna put a screenshot on the screen right now of my entry. If you guys don't believe me, I got in on a sell, $2 a pip, right? 0.2 lot size sell. It should be on the screen right here, just so you guys know I'm not faking or anything. This was a little bit of luck, I will say, because my entry was literally so perfect. I was not in any drawdown, and it came down, and I was targeting this liquidity, right? So the market always wants to grab liquidity. It wants to take your money. So the market is always gonna be magnetized. It's gonna go to the liquidity, okay? If you guys get what I'm trying to say, the market will go and grab the liquidity. So basically, I was really targeting this, and I got out. And really, at this point, I got out too because I was going to sleep. This was probably around 8 o'clock or so. And as you know, I've been trading the London session, so I go to bed a little bit earlier to catch up on my sleep. You know what I'm saying? Try to get a little bit more sleep. So I just closed it before I went to bed, but I really could have held this, you guys. Excuse me. Could have held this long term, but I'm not a swinger. You know what I'm saying? I just want to catch you know, basic little moves, 23 pips, 25 pips, or 24 pips I caught. I'm gonna put a screenshot of my actual trade. It was $48.20 that I got. Trade should be right there. But that was my perfect entry, you guys. I hope you guys understood. So market was creating support. It already grabbed liquidity here, right? Grabbed all this. Then it comes down, strong move. I wait for it to come up at a better price. Okay, I put in a sell limit, right? And this isn't even the times that I trade. I don't trade at this time, but it hit my sell limit. So, hey, I'm in the trade. Okay, so here's the US30 trade that I took you guys, okay? So I have my sessions up, right? So basically this green right here is the London Open. Then when this brown starts, this is the New York Open. So this brown is the New York Open and the London overlap, London session overlap. Then at this point where the brown ends is where the London session ends, and then this is the rest of the New York session. So I use these session dividers to my advantage. I like looking at it this way. I don't have these up all the time, but if you guys see that, this is the sessions, and I got this. This is an indicator on TradingView free. So basically though, I'm looking at this at a 5-minute time frame, right? So as you guys know, I've been trading London session. Look, it created this liquidity, right? In the Asian session, right? Came up, boom, it took that liquidity, right? So I'm coming in at 2 a.m. right in the morning, and I'm looking at that. I said, okay, it's grabbing liquidity, right? I see this big push up. I'm like, oh, okay. See some rejection. Once I seen some more bullish confirmation, I basically just got in. It was really as simple as that. I can't give you guys my perfect entry on here because the spreads on my broker are different from TradingView, so I can't give you guys the exact point that I got in. But I seen it come up. That's that blue bullish, come back down, and basically I got in, and I was targeting this liquidity, right? See, the market came and it made liquidity right here, so I was targeting that. But what happened was I wanted to get more out of this move, you guys, but what I had to take profit in right here on MetaTrader, and as I seen this big move going, I'm like, sheesh, this has to just keep going, right? It hit my take profit so fast before I could take it out, because I was getting ready to, I was left clicking on it and trying to delete my take profit, but it didn't work. So I was targeting this. It hit my target, which was great. 60 points, 60 pips, I guess, but at a 0.01 that gave me $60. I put a screenshot of that up there. But that was a great trade to me. I could have held it and got, you know, a hell of a lot more, you know, throughout the day. But after that, I was pretty much done. I didn't want to trade anymore. But that was basically my 2 good trades that I had last week. That was it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys those 2 trades. I thought they were pretty decent trades. Well, actually, the Euro USD one was a great trade in my eyes, you know what I'm saying? And this US30 one that I just showed you guys was decent. But, you know, just one day at a time, you guys, you know what I'm saying? Don't want to make things too complicated in my brain with this trading. You know, I'm just taking it one day, learning, growing, you know, and I'm loving this shit, you guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving you guys on the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I know I say you know what I'm saying too much, you guys. My fault for that. But that's it for the video, you guys. Hit that like button if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe if you guys are new. And the way it looks,